Hey guys, hi, my name is Gadhavi. Welcome to my channel. Here you'll see everything related to food, lifestyle, finance, travel, self love, fashion, beauty, and everything good. So, here I am going ahead with my first video of this channel, which is the tutorial of Paneer Chilli. So, now why the first video is related to food? Guys, come on, as they say, दिल का रास्ता पेट से ही तो होता है. So, this is my first video. Please show some love and please like, share and subscribe. So now, what am I doing over here? Making this pan non-stick. 1 चम्मच oil दिया है. Then spread it all over. Now add diced paneer, half tablespoon haldi powder, salt, red chili powder, and a little bit of white pepper. So white pepper over here is my secret ingredient, guys. Do try it out for that spice in your dish. So basically we are mixing everything, and what are we doing over here? We are pre-frying paneer for the better taste. Now what am I doing is transferring this fried paneer into a other dish. In the same pan or कढ़ाई I will prepare the further dish. आप चाहो तो दूसरा भी दे सकते हो, but you need a trick to save the vessel. In the pan goes 2 to 3 big spoon of oil. Check if it's hot, then add 11 to 12 cloves of chopped garlic. Here goes the garlic. Yum. 2 chopped green chillies. Then mix is the key. Now goes 1 inch of grated garlic. Ginger. Mix again as soon as that divine aroma starts coming. Add 1 big diced onion. Again guys, mix well. So here goes the diced onions. So what am I doing is mixing it well. Wait till it gets semi-cooked. Now add 1 capsicum, diced, and mix it. Mix it well, let it cook. Now in vegetables, I would suggest you can add anything, whatever you want. You can add French beans, carrots, etc. But I had this much only, so I have added these vegetables. So here I have added again my secret ingredient, half tablespoon of white pepper, salt to taste. Guys, believe me, white pepper se dish gets more spice than yummier. Now stir everything together properly. For smoked effect, add 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, red chili sauce, half tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix everything properly. So here I am mixing everything well. Now I am adding some tomatoes. You can remove the जो बीज होता है ना tomatoes के, you can remove that for the better taste. Otherwise it tastes more sour. So you can do that. And then our holy paneer. Let's add our holy paneer in it. Mix everything properly. Now goes 1 cup water. Put it on simmer as soon as it boils. Add. So I put simmer. Now we have to wait for the water to get hot and boiled. So like water and all, you can just see according to your vegetable. You can add it accordingly. Now what have I done over here? I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour and added water in it. So I have added this mixture slowly and steadily, one tablespoon by 1 tablespoon. This is usually used to make the gravy thick. You will instantly see the difference, the thickness in the dish after adding this. So you have to add it slowly, you cannot add all of it together. You just have to see. So add one by one, mix it well. So our hot and spicy and delicious paneer chilli is ready, guys. Do let me know in comment section how did you find the recipe. Also, if any mistake in this video, please let me know. I am going to improve more in the further videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon, guys. Enjoy the paneer chilli.